Alright guys, hey, it's King Ranch 13. Welcome back to another video. It is a pretty cold morning, doing a little grocery shopping, but you're going to want to see the rest of this video. If you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe and comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts on this video is. But yeah, we're going to go try to do some stuff. And oh yeah, something pretty important's happening today, and you're going to want to hang around till the end to see what it is. But it's probably the biggest thing of this year. All right guys, so back at the garage after we did some harvesting, or attempt to harvest. So we're gonna put on good old no limit fab intake on our 24 450. Got one for the 250 and I need to get one more for the 350. But just for today, just gonna put on the 450 because it's freaking cold out and windy still. And then also, this has got to go the front. I mean, don't get me wrong, it doesn't bother me that much that the four-wheel drive air dam is that low, but you know, before I do it to all the other ones, I'm gonna try out the Tremor one on this and see how it looks. And it does really make it look a little bit higher. So I'm gonna do those things, then pop the hood real quick. And you're gonna see later on in this video why hopefully we won't be working in this thing for too long. First things first is taking off the intake, and this won't be an install tutorial video or anything like that because I've got some videos. I'll put it right here or here somewhere of us putting on this pretty standard process to do it. So yeah, we're gonna get right into it. Intake's in, let's do a cold start. All right, here we go. All right, could you tell a difference? Does it sound a little bit more whistly? I think it does, but I think under normal driving conditions is where I'll really notice because the engine's just loud anyways. Yeah, no, it looks pretty. This is no limit fab. Stage 1 intake. There's not a stage 2 for these trucks that I know of. Link to the intake down below in the description. And now let's get going underneath. So right here, I don't know if you can see that, is I believe a 7 mil. Let me just double check. Oh, I was wrong, it's 8. Oh yeah, it's an 8. All right, so we need 8 mil, and I'm going to use this little elbow adapter that I just got just to see how it works. Oh, all right, let's see. Oh, there we go. Heck yeah. All right, while I got this on, I'm gonna do the other side. All right, heck yeah. Now, I'm pretty sure the rest of them, if I remember correctly from doing this last time, are all on the bottom side. So I'm gonna crawl up underneath there and get them. All right, it's done. How's it look? Oh yeah, that looks better. All right, so after some Asian labor here, we've got the front valance put on. Again, this is a Tremor one, and in my opinion, you know, especially with these colored match bumpers now and the front valance, the Tremor valance, I mean, it looks a lot beefier. It looks pretty slick in my opinion. Let me know down in the comments below what y'all think, but I like it. Now, there is also a two-wheel drive valance that comes out of about here that I may try on another truck, have a comparison and see which one I like better. But as you can see, I mean, it's not a lot of work to swap those out and put the intake in. But the real point of this video is about to come up here in a second, but yeah, no, I'm happy with the truck, and you'll see why. Hopefully we won't be doing stuff here as much. All right, we'll cut to it. All right guys, big news. This is now going to be the home of Elite Drillers, Outdoor Trucks, and Outdoor Financial. This has been in the works for a while now. Pretty crazy, been in here in Texas for less than a year, and we're doing some big things. So, as y'all know, I've got Elite Drillers, Outdoor Trucks, and Outdoor Financial, and we've had some issues with properties being all over the place and a lot of time and inefficiencies and lack of quality control. This is gonna solve a lot of it. So throughout the next 6 months to a year, you're gonna be seeing shop videos.
I haven't done a shop build series in a little while, but hopefully y'all will enjoy this one. It's gonna be even better than the one before, especially since we didn't really finish it last time. But yeah, this one, yeah, we're finishing for sure. I can't show you exactly where it's at yet, but you're gonna be able to see this if you're a local West Texan. I just want to take a minute and say thank you to everybody that's been a part of this process, and shout out to Outdoor Financial, who is actually the sponsor of this video. Thank you, Outdoor Financial, for sponsoring this video to be able to help get a loan to be able to buy this property and to get the construction loan. If you need anything like that done for your business, give them a call, 318-594-1441. Outdoor Financial will take care of you. So anyways, so yeah, thank you to everybody, my friends, family, and all my colleagues that have helped me to be able to get to where I am today. I'm super excited for all of our employees and all of our team to be able to have a place to really grow and set roots. So right now it's bare dirt. Yes, there are tumbleweeds rolling around. Until I really came out here, I didn't really think tumbleweeds are a real thing until one almost took us out in a few videos past. But this is gonna change pretty quickly. We're getting the metal ordered. We've got all our drawings done. So we're about to start on this project. So y'all be on the lookout for the next few videos where we're gonna give you some updates as things happen on the ground here. So, you know, obviously concrete's gonna be next and all the site stuff. So that'll be fun to see some yellow iron working. But let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about us having a new shop here. Again, I'm super excited. And actually, before the end of this video, I gotta do something to mark my territory. All right, I guess it's official now. It's ours. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep watching the series. We'll see you on the next one.